afternoon, students and everyone. Homework for today. Today we're going to use English student book, pages 18 and 19. We're reading text, Elliot's new friend. Let's read together. Okay, Elliot's new friend. Elliot is sad and lonely. He sees a tortoise. Hello, I'm Tutti. I'm Elliot. I can't find my family. Let's look. Look, is that your family? No, those are zebras. The zebras are scared. They run away. Elliot and Tutti eat, play, and sleep. Look, is that your family? No, those are lions. Elliot and Tutti are scared. They run away. Look, elephant. I'm an elephant. That's my family. Yes. Thanks, Tutti. Elliot has a new friend. Great text, students, about our family and friends. And the questions for today is that your family? You answer and let's say our words. 3 words as usual. First, say with me. Equal. Equal. 2. Count. Count. We know 1, 2, 3 and so on. And 3. Measure. Measure. Right. Okay. Good work for today. Do your homework. Listen to your parents. Send to me. And see you next time. Bye-bye.